Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do vintage style buttercream decorated cake. My cake was already iced and pale pink icing. On top of the edge border space, I didn't pay too much attention because it will be covered in border. Then we're gonna put designs on the side and a little bit on top. Alright, so let's decorate it. Starting, I had a little darker pink icing and I'm gonna start with a little white. So I have a bag with a rose tip. It's number 104 by Wilton. And I'm gonna start with the ruffled edge of my swag. And I'm just gonna do in up and down motion and pipe it going all around the cake, just like that. And then I'm gonna do my darker pink icing and the star tip, and I'm gonna pipe the borders on my swag. And with the same tip I'm gonna do second swag that will start at the top edge, the middle will meet my bottom swag and will go back up on top, and I'm doing this in a zigzag motion. Pipe it skinnier on the edges and more thicker as you go to the middle part of the swag, and make sure it touches the bottom swag. So that's our whole design in it. All right, and then just from the bag, no tip, but you can put tip number 2 or 3, writing tip. I'm gonna pipe some lines go down on the second swag just to add a couple more details to make it more interesting. All right, so just squeeze it slowly and try to attach it to your piping. So just make sure your strings don't fall off. If they kind of feels loose, you can always pat it down with a little paper towel, just slightly, just enough for them to stick. All right, then let's go and start our top border. So again, the same smaller star tip. We're gonna do one that goes around. It's kind of right below the edge I'm gonna do, and then another one right next to it with a little space between, like that. And then I'm gonna use large star tip and I'm gonna fill that space on the top, just like that. See how it creates such a cool effect? All right, so go all the way around. And I'm gonna do the same border for the bottom of the cake, just like so. So don't puff it too much because the tip is already pretty large. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this Candy Pearls by CK, and I'm gonna arrange it in the shape of the heart on top of the cake. Just like that. And I'm gonna scatter them kind of here and there on top of the cake and a few on the sides. See how it brightened the cake right away? I like that. And then with buttercream, I'm gonna use 2 colors. First, I'm gonna do it on white. I'm gonna write number on top, and then I'm gonna double it with, again, the same darker pink icing. All right, and this is the final cake. What you guys think? I enjoyed cakes like that very much. I like all the buttercream piping. It so old school, and I really like that old style designs. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much.